Guys, I'm back. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And so I got some new pets and they're birds. Look how cute they are. They're little, but they're kind of scary. Watch. But this one's Sky. Oh, that one's Sky, and this one's Mango. And yeah, they're kind of shy right now, so she'll get on my hand. He's a little shy to get on my hand, and he just flew to the floor. But they'll fly sometimes. They can't really fly, but oh. Come here, Sky. Okay, I got him back. See, they'll do like that. And yeah. See. Oh, he sees you can't really see him because he's like out of it. Oh, that was him. He's climbing. He's there. Here he is. You can't, like, when they bite you, you can't, like, say, like, try to pull your hand away, because then they'll keep biting you. So, yeah. But bye, y'all. I got birds.